Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In my last video I unboxed the Hawk HD 1080p smart Wi-Fi outdoor security camera made by Geenie. And in this video I'm going to show you how easy the setup was, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the app that needs to be downloaded to any smartphone or tablet or iPad. So, in a few moments, I'll show you the camera outdoors. So here's the camera that I installed. It's held up on the wall by 3 mounting screws. I had to drill a hole in the wall for the cord to go into the outlet on the other side. So there's the back side of the camera. I had to install an electrical outlet, but it pretty much just plugs right on in and goes straight on out through the hole that's right up here above the electrical outlet. Okay, now I want to show you some of the great images from the camera on a mobile device. Right now I am using a tablet. You can use your smartphone, an iPad, or anything that can take apps and that you can download from the store. Now, this runs on a Android operating system. So in this case, I would go to the Play Store and you would type in Geenie to find the app. If we went back here, we typed in apps. You type in Geeni and it pops up here. And in your case, you would download it. I already have it downloaded on this device. So there's the icon for it. So let's tap it on and see what kind of quality we have. Okay, so this is the home page of the app. It allows you to add more cameras by hitting the plus sign. As you can see, I also have the doorbell door peek camera installed, but I want to show you that outdoor camera, which I have here. And you'll be just the image is just amazing how the high definition really takes control over the settings. And there it is. There's the camera. See how crisp and clear the image is? You can hit the extend button and it can put you in large screen. You also can zoom in on it, which is a nice feature. Let me put it back into regular mode. This has a bunch of settings, which is located up in the 3 dots up here. You click on and you can set the camera to the way you like it. You can name the camera whatever you want. You can name it by clicking on name. I named it I kept the original serial number name. I just put outdoor camera next to it. You can set the location, second bedroom, dining room, wherever you place that camera. You can actually list the location on it. If we go back to the regular screen here, it has all kinds of features that I haven't even really took a look at, but it has an SD card, and you can look at that. You can see how much space has been used on the SD card. You can reformat the card if it gets filled up. You can set the motion detection settings, which I have set to low right now. If you click that on, you can set it to low, medium, or high. The reason why I have it on low is because during a snowstorm or a rainstorm, the rain or snow can actually activate the motion, and you'll begin alerts every 2 minutes until the storm stops. It's really crazy how sensitive it is. You also can you can set the surveillance area. You can do that by adjusting the, I could just go to that small area if I want to in red, or you can, pretty much set the parameters of the area that you want to record from the camera. If I go back to the main screen, on this feature here, like, you can also, set the motion alerts to there. You also can set up one-way or two-way speaking. So if someone passes by the camera, you can press and hold the button, and when it says start talking, you can actually talk to the person outside in front of the camera, and you can hear what they say also. So I would rank the Hawk Geenie HD 1080p smart Wi-Fi outdoor security camera a pretty nice investment for the money. The camera only costs $59.99, and of course the app and everything is free. So thank you for joining me today, and in my next video I'm going to review or unbox the Geenie Aware HD 1080p smart Wi-Fi security cameras for inside the house. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video.